I have a new printer. Well, kit. This is the LDO Rook kit. I've been testing it over the last couple of days, and I really, really like it. Um, it's a complete kit, everything you need to print to build a Rook. It comes with all the hardware, screws, bearings, shims, belts, and I'm just going to go through all the parts top to bottom. Comes with everything you need for the tool head. So there's dual 4010 blower fans. There's a single 3010 fan for the hot end. The hot end is a TCHC TR6 from Triangle Labs. Comes with cable sleeving for the entire build, more than you need. As you see, I have leftover. Comes with the LDO rails, LDO motors, of course, BMG with an LDO motor, a really good BMG. Comes with a LDO bed and the new Z motor that does stop it from just dropping like a rock. So it does this instead, which is way better. Comes with the custom LDO PEI sheet. It has a Manta M4P with a CB1, so you don't need a Pi in addition to the kit. It comes with everything. Comes with an SD card as well, and comes with a 24 volt 8 amp power adapter. So no internal power supply, no 230 or mains AC voltage. Comes with a barrel connector to put in the back, and some feet. So this is all you need to build a Rook. Of course, you need to print your old parts, but that's the fun of the Rook. You can build it out of any color you want. I have done a lot of them. And so the print volume, 110 by 110 by 110, nice little cube. I've done some calibration. I have tried some different stuff that you can print. Decorative, like this nice little vase. Highly detailed models, being that this is so small, it's really good at detailed small models. You just use it for trinkets and gadgets, some fidget toys, even some home improvement stuff. I made this little wall hook to put some clothes on, and I did all the calibration that you normally need to do. So what's next? Well, this is launching mid next month, so July, and I'll be doing a full build tutorial on how to build this step by step, including everything. So hardware building, putting all the belts on, putting all the calibration, installing Clipper, installing all the electronics, everything. And after that, we might do something more with an LDO Rook kit. So I'll do some fancy B-roll stuff and do all the stuff, and I'll see ya.